block, they can't hold me, cause I'm shooting like Ginobili, and I'm ballin' like a Kobe. That mean I'm ballin' like a Laker, and I'm shooting like a Pacer. Lil' bro smoking out of vapor. DGK like I'm a skater.
What's going on, guys? We got Anthony Cotton Jr. here doing an unboxing on the iPhone XS Max, guys. Just got it coming in the mail. Get a 2-day Air Express from UPS Ground. It came here about 2 days ago. I've been having it in the box for the last couple days. Letting it wait. I'm waiting for my case to come and arrive in the mail. It should be arriving today, so just been kind of holding off, waiting until I receive my case before I really just break out the box. You're going to see duct tape and everything's cut off it and the paper unwrapped from it. I do apologize for that ahead of time, guys. I did an unboxing video at the beginning and my camera didn't record, so there you go. So I'm not cheating you from the unboxing, guys. Did the unboxing, so here it goes. Take 2 again, guys. You see, it still got the bubble wrap stuff here. Here's what it was wrapped in here. Wrapped in there. The box. It's out the way, guys. Now this is the iPhone XS Max. This here is the 64 gig one from Sprint, is my carrier. This here is the 6.5 inch display. Get more, see your screen more. See your screen, get more of your buck for your screen type of deal. They do have the iPhone XS out there with the 5.8 display too as well. For you guys out there that's not into the whole big screen type of deal. Yeah, let me get this box on out the way. Okay, let me show you a little history of the iPhones, guys. I'm new at this unboxing, but I am an iPhone lover, so I have been keeping up and having every model, every generation that has been out. So when I say iPhone lover, guys. Here's the iPhone 6s Plus. This one in the space gray black. You see this up button, lower the volume button, the switch button, also power button there. You're able to see the camera, the logo. You can see the side of it, the SIM card. You can see the front camera. You see the power button. This one has the micro and the aux jack, the micro lightning also. This here is the iPhone 7s Plus. You see the volume up and down. This is in the black finish. You see the slide button right there for the silent. And you see the power button here, the camera, the flash. You see the logo. You see the front camera there. You see the home button. This one doesn't have the jack, but the speakers are at the bottom. And here's the micro lightning port right there as well. Okay, let's get into this bad boy. This one is the iPhone XS Plus Max, guys. XS Max. I don't know why I'm getting with the plus. I'm getting so tied up in the plus right there. This one is 50% faster graphic performance, and it's also up to 15% faster performance core. It's up to 50% lower power usage and infection cores. 8-core neutral engine, enhanced image signal process. That's dope to know. And it also has enhanced performance controller. So that's it right here. Now this phone is ranging from $1,000 to $1,500. So you guys know the back end for pricing too as well. This one feels really good in my hand. Feel really heavy. There's the power button here on the side. My volume controls up there. The switch button there. It's my camera here. I have 2 cameras on the back and a flash. Pretty dope. The logo there. This is in the black space gray. This feels really good. Feels really sleek and professional. The feel of it in my hand. Having so much of the screen too is good to have too as well. Trying to see if it powered up. Yes, it died on me, guys. Yeah, the screen too as well is very dope on there too as well. Let's go to the side. So Apple gives us, Apple's pretty much give us the standard package of it. Their logos. and their hello thing to the actual phone itself. And then also, this is what gave me the SIM card here. So I'll be popping out my SIM card from my iPhone 7 Plus and then popping it into my iPhone XX Max. Oh, it won't come out, and I got nails. Yeah, the SIM card, this would have came in from there, and then their terms and policy and all that good stuff. Nothing we're pretty much interested in. We pretty much don't care about the paperwork that's in there. I mean, we love the logos, stickers. Those are pretty dope to have. Take them off and put them on other little accessories we have around the house or automobiles. Here's the earbuds, wired earbuds. These are no go, guys. Thanks Apple, but no thanks. If you guys haven't had so before, I would highly suggest you guys get the AirPods. Very dope to have. When I say a big difference, guys, huge difference. Huge difference, guys. Huge difference. Give us the power charger and the USB Lightning. It's dope to have. Wish they would have gave us a bigger box to charge it a little bit more faster. Something similar to like the iPad charger boxes. You get what I'm saying, guys? Yeah, so that's here. This can go back in here. Thanks Apple, but no thanks. Put this back in here. Really loving this 6.5 inch screen, guys. It's really, oh man. I got pretty big hands, so I'm really loving this feel, yo. See how it fit in my hands? I'm really loving it. And it's gonna fit pretty much the entire screen. Just bring it down a little bit, and I got this bottom portion from there. I'm gonna pop out my SIM card and pretty much get myself going. Set up from there. Hopefully my cases arrive today. I don't do any damages dropping the phone. Knock on wood. And I'm definitely leaving this plastic on there. I'm not taking this off until this case arrives. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video with unboxing the new iPhone XX Max, guys. Thanks for checking me out. Go ahead and leave a comment below, like it, subscribe. And then also, when you guys open up your new iPhone, make sure you do an unboxing. We want to see how you guys feel, how it feels, the phone feel in your hand, get some customer reviews, and oh man, enjoy your iPhone, man. Team Apple, let's get it.